beautiful CVPs, welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful day to be alive because we are out on an adventure, and look where we are right now. We are at Magnolia Bird Farm in Riverside. Yay! So we are here. Woohoo! Magnolia Bird Farm in Riverside. Wow, this place is huge. Oh my gosh. If you haven't already, go check out the link below in the description where me and Marlene McCohen went to the Magnolia Bird Farm in Anaheim. That was a whole awesome adventure. Today I'm at Magnolia Bird Farm right here on a road trip, and let's go and check it out. I want to see what they have. I hear they have a hyacinth macaw, so I want to go in and just meet that hyacinth macaw. But I'm going to turn around the camera so you guys can watch it. Entrance. Oh, that's a nice cage. Hi, hi. This is huge. Oh, let's go look. Oh, yes, this is what I want. This is what I want. I want the big ones, these ones. That's so cool. I'm gonna grab some of these. This is good too, but it's too small. Oh, there you are. Hi. 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 First thing in the entrance, and look who's here. This is Blue. Blue is the hyacinth macaw. I'm kind of shy, but if you move slowly, I mean. Hi, Blue. Hi, Blue. Hi. You're so cute. Hi. Hi, Blue. Hey, Blue. Do you want this? Yeah. So I have a nut from Love. Let me see if he wants it. Blue. Hi, Blue. Oh, he's really a little shy. Blue, would you like this? Would you like this? Good. He liked it. He took it. Oh. That's a little nut that I had in my pocket from Love and Glory. So Blue is eating the little nut. Hi, Blue. Hi. I should come visit you with Glory and Love. What do you think? I should come one day and visit him with Love and Glory. Hi, Blue. He's so cute. You're so cute, Blue. Hi. Oh, he's trying to open the nut. It's alright. You can do it. You can do it. Glory and Love does it all the time. You can do it. Oh, he is so sweet. So I'm gonna leave Blue by himself because he's enjoying his nut right now, and I just give him some privacy. He must see all the time people, but yeah, probably nobody give him a macadamia nut. So he's gonna work on it. So let's check out the store. Wow, look at this cage, 700. Wow, 700. This is a huge cage. 40 times 80. This was the cage that he had. 40 times 80. Selling seats all over. It's so interesting. The seat bar. Seats. Interesting. Seats. Wow, look at all the seats. Sunflower seat. Look at that. Beef mix, pigeon food, Milo, chicken, no, rabbit pellets, sunflower, wild bird mix. Wild bird mix, 2 pounds. I should get this for my wild birds. They'll be happy. Oh, look, they have lorikeet stuff. Breeder blend. Nectar. This is what Angel drinks. And this is what we have as lorry powder. Oh, here. Let's go check out the birds. Oh, look, they have... Right here, they have almonds and pistachios and walnuts and mixed nuts and pine nuts. Nice. Hummingbird stuff. Alpha hummingbird. There is a little macaw. Let's go check out the little macaw. Oh, look at, here's all hand feeding stuff and siren, side string. Oh, so cute. Green wing? Do you green wing? Green wing?
Yeah, I'm sorry, yeah.
Oh, hi.
He is.
Both?
Both of them.
Oh,
The
hi.
baby brother.
How old is he?
He'll be 15.
15 in May.
29.
Oh,
That's you're the baby, aren't
but
you?
he's not for sale, right?
No.
You're gorgeous. Gorgeous. And this is the, oh, they are hand fed. Here's the baby
Yeah,
room.
that's where they have babies, like. And then there's another room that they keep it like 95 degrees.
Oh, even mom, can we go in there? And it's closed off for the
I
public.
don't work there, I'm just visiting. Like
Oh,
you.
you're...
So I don't work
I thought because you were cleaning, I thought you were...
Oh, because they're mine and they make a mess, don't you?
Oh.
Yeah.
That's so nice. Bless your heart.
It's my job to clean up.
Oh. Oh, look at these little cuties. Little cockatiel. So cute. Letters. This is interesting. I might get a letter. Look at guys, they have perches. Pre-cut perches. And then even more cages. And here's all breeding boxes. Breeding boxes, and you can see over there working on his magnet that I gave him. Open packages. This is cool. I love this. Here's like little stands. Little stands. Even more little cages. Cages. How do you know? Yes, I'm doing a video for YouTube. You know me? Yeah, did you watch me?
Kinda.
And check out the birds. Oh, look at that. Is that San Diego? Here's a blue and gold. Hi. 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 And you're cutie. I know. Hi. Yeah, you're bored in that cage, right? So cute. Are you a cutie? Hi. 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 You have such a handsome face. Such a handsome face. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Hello. Hello. All right, who else is here? Oh, here's a cockatoo. Cachito. This is Cachito. Hi, Cachito. Hi. And who else is here? Oh, there's a lorikeet. Oh my gosh. There's a lorikeet. And a little rose-breasted. Hi. Hi. Hi, you are cute. Hello there. Oh, you cutie you are. Oh, you want a head scratch? Oh my gosh, you want a hair? I love birds. I love birds. You are so gorgeous. Such a sweetie. And there's a lorikeet. Give you a head scratch? Hi, this bird is so cute. Look at that. Look at that. It's just so love deprived. It just wants a head scratch. Hi. Are you a little cute? Oh, you want a head scratch too? You totally look like little Dino. Oh, you're so cute. You are so adorable. You. 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 Hi. 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 I know. I know. You are a cutie. Such a cutie. You like that? You like that? Lorikeet totally looks like my old Dino who's passed away 2 years ago. Hi. He's a green nap lorikeet. Look at how sweet. He was so sweet. Hi. Are you a sweet little lorikeet? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Lorikeets are the most little clowns. They're little clowns. Hi. Hi. You want to see yourself? You want to see yourself in film? Look. Boarding? Is it people's birds?
It's everything.
Or are they selling those birds?
Oh no, this belongs to the farm.
Oh, he belongs to the farm.
Lorikeet.
The lorikeet.
Yeah.
He's not for sale.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
It's the lorikeet for sale.
No, he's not.
Yeah.
What's his name?
Scuttles.
Scuttles.
Scuttles. You are so cute. He's such a sweetheart. Aww. Hi, Scuttles. Hi. I have a lorikeet too. His name is Angel.
Oh really?
Yeah. They're little clowns. Oh my gosh. He's a big lorikeet. Lorikeet eats just nectar and fruits. Yeah. Here?
Well, it's not mine. It's my sister's.
Aww. So cute. Show him the little lorikeet. How would he react? If you show your Kanye the lorikeet, how would he react? Would he be afraid?
I don't know. I don't want to do that.
Oh, okay.
Up for a little while, huh?
Hey, good bird.
You are so cute. You are so cute. Thanks for letting me play with him. So sweet. Hi. So, this room is all, oh, here are the little like budgies. Look at those, oh, conures. The conures. Finches. 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 Hi. Oh, here's a little cute carrier, what do you call carrier? And then here are pigeons. Pigeons. And here are little budgies. Hi, budgies. How cute little budgies. The bird is cute. Okay, guys, so this was it inside. We're gonna go now outside and check out the outdoors. Aviary. I'm hearing a lot of birds upstairs, but let's go out. That's macaws. Birds. This is a nice, huge aviary. Wow, look at these birds. A lot of finches. Oh. Oh. That's a cutie. Oh. Oh my gosh. He's like so small. Oh, somebody's screaming. Who is screaming over here? Oh, look at these little ringnecks. Hi, guys. Okay, here's two macaws. Hi. Oh, there's again two other green-winged macaws. And then What are they called? Turacos. Turacos. Interesting. And then here are spotted doves. There's also some spotted doves. Oh, I'm sorry. I spooked you guys. And that's it. Sweet little aviary. So this is the aviary from the Riverside Bird Farm. Kind of similar to the aviary at the Anaheim farm. But this is definitely bigger and they have macaws here. Oh, look at these little guys. They are so cute. So cute. I love the swing setup. And the Connie and the behind her hair. So cute. And then here are toys. Lots and lots of toys. Okay. Yeah. Bells. Toys. You can build your own little toys. Leather strips. Mealworms. Interesting. Mealworms come in those little pots. And then you have like 1,000 kinds. Now you may ask, who is eating mealworms? Like toucans. Toucans with the long beak, they are eating mealworms. So you have to buy mealworms for them. Hey Blue, did you finish your... I think you did it. Did manage to open the macadamia nut. Good job, Blue. Good job. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Did I scare you? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Aww. Aww. Love and Glory, especially in Love, he loves those type of toys. Like this is like heavy duty chains that you can't get anywhere else. So I'm gonna get a lot of these for Love and Glory for them to play with. I mean, you can't even get these online. They are so big. Like, look at like the size of these between of the little ones. See the size? So I'm gonna get probably like 5 foot of this, 5 foot of green, and 5 foot of orange. So I will have all 3 colors. They don't have blue here. They don't have a big blue. They just have red and... Some chains for me? Oh. Can you cut some chains for me? Perfect. So I will take 5 foot of the green, 5 foot of the orange, and 5 foot of the pink.
So the big size?
Yeah, all the big size. I have 2 hyacinths, so they're gonna love this. It goes so fast. They break it so fast.
Oh yeah, I can imagine.
Yeah.
I can imagine.
Yeah, they beaks are like this plier. Like crazy sharp. He's like chewing on them like it's gum, you know? Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Sweet. Thank Thanks.
You're welcome.
Can I still go shopping?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi. What you doing? Hello. Hi. Hello. Aren't you a cutie? Hello. So cute. Check this out. These are incubus. That's how you hatch eggs. Look. These are incubus. Like there the egg comes in and then it hatch. Interesting. You see this is little chickens. Yes. Wow. Wow. Interesting. Interesting. These are mealworms. They're worms for chickens. Gosh, they're so cute. Wow, this is the...
You guys can answer if you guys like.
Oh, look at this cage. This is so cute. Oh, like in a box. Ah. Here are bulbs. Huh? Like bowls. Cables. Chick feeder. Bowls. Wheels. Wow. Interesting. This one's now $60. Oh. And then back here, they have big macaw breeding boxes. These are macaw breeding boxes. Interesting. It's a used corner cage. It's $175. Oh, these are all like used cages that got brought back. I think so. Yep. Yep. And then you have here a lot of feed stuff. This is a huge warehouse. Huge warehouse. Wow. Hi. They're lovebirds. Amazon parrots. I have this guy. I have this guy. Double yellow-headed. And where's Faith? Ah, here's Faith. Right here, red-headed. Or here. One of those two. That's a cutie. Look at all these beautiful. Alright, so I got this. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Because of please help us and I want to dip the bottoms of the shoes in our sanctuary. Oh, think like this, you have to dip it in. Okay guys, so this was the vlog for Magnolia Bird Farm. I hope you enjoy it. I gave you a pretty good tour, I think. And got some stuff for Love and Glory. Like those chains, they are so crazy about those chains. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye. Mwah!